I'm Joey from Daelim Transformer, and this is our warehouse. Here we will store some materials and accessories, such as oil level gauge, the tap changer, and some other accessories. This area is for the storage of mineral oil and vegetable oil. This is the insulation area. The works are preparing the insulation materials. Here are HV windings and LV windings area. They are all prepared here. This is assemble area, the windings, and the core will be assembled here. This is the air dry equipment. After assembly, the sum product will be dried here. After the drying procedure, it will come to the assembled part, the inside, and the shell will be safer here. This is our test system. Every transformer will be tested here. Before they were delivered to your hand, we ensure every transformer is qualified. This is the packing area. You will see all these transformers are ready to be shipped.